आई थिंक ऐसे फिल्म्स एक्टर के लाइफ में हर 10 साल में आते हैं।
तो पहले रिस्पेक्ट द लैंग्वेज। वी ऑल आर्टिस्ट्स, वी आर वांटिंग टू टेल स्टोरीज।
राम सर से मिला सेट पे और मिला, और वो इतने बखूबी मिले मुझसे, इतने खुले दिल के साथ, इतने प्यार से। मुझे लगा कि भाई अच्छा, कोई डर की बात नहीं है, सब अच्छा जाने वाला है यहाँ पे।
He's never stepped on the Hyderabad soil once before, but he's got fans and people were appreciating him. So my hug was, I met the Mirzapur person who I love.
Compliment has just
That's
come
what-
in. Yeah.
That's what.
See, that's quite a
See,
moment.
when I land in Mumbai, I can smell work. It was freezing and Buchi Babu gave me nothing but a t-shirt to wear.
May look great on stage, may not look great on screen.
But I have a leaked video of Boman sir singing in Delhi.
वो जब बाइक पे आया, एक सिगरेट आया, रिवील हुआ, आई वाज लाइक बॉस पैसा वसूल, मैं खुद को देखूंगा जाके।
मैं खुद सीटी मारूंगा।
सीरियसली।
So I'm here in absolutely delighted और मेरा तो bonanza ही लग गया. So of course Ramcharan sir, we were very very excited to have you here, and with you now Divyendu and Baman sir. पूरा मतलब it's like a full scene. मेरा तो package deal है आज. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
थैंक यू।
The first reaction of mine, what looking at the trailer, was very emotional, very powerful, very raw, very rustic. मतलब ऐसे कुछ ऐसी चीज उसमें देखने को मिली जिसको देखकर ऐसा लगा कि स्पोर्ट्स, व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्पोर्ट्स, रॉ इमोशंस बहुत बार मिसिंग हो जाता है बिकॉज देयर इज सो मच other things that have gotten attached to it, but it felt so rooted. So let me start with you, Ram sir. आपकी सारी फिल्मों में ये वाली फिल्म आपके नॉच किस तरह से every notch it's going upper and bigger.
आई थिंक ऐसे फिल्म्स एक्टर के लाइफ में हर 10 साल में आता है। एक फिल्म ऐसे, एक मगधीर आता है, एक RRR आता है, एक रंगस्थलम। इट्स नॉट वेरी easy to find a subject like this. My dad told me to relish every day of this film. He says it's very rare you get scripts like this. It's one of the most inspiring scripts I have done and acted in, and it is very very sincere, authentic. It's commercial to another level too. Yeah.
So what do you think जब हम थिएटर से बाहर निकलने वाले हैं?
We've seen good action films in the last year. We've seen Kantara type films. We've seen Durandars. We've seen KGFs and all of that. This is completely a different genre from that. It is going to be the most inspiring, heavy heart, good heavy heart से बाहर आएंगे. It's like when you see a Lagan. So I would say it's something it'll be a blend of having that beautifulness when you come out of Lagan theatre.
अच्छा, you got it.
Yeah, and then
think
you will
I-
have the massiness of Sultan and all of that.
I think
It is
I got
commercially designed, and you'll be very happy. It won't disappoint you.
it. Baban sir, आपके लिए ये experience कैसा रहा? How was it? The movie, the experience, Ramcharan.
I think we're making a film about India. And for me now, I think the language also, मतलब मैं comfortable हो गया बात करने में. Comfortable हो गया. But to see, main thing is, what is the only difference? Cinema is cinema. Cinema का language एक होता है, cinema का grammar एक होता है. The spoken language is different. That's it. When you go to someone else's home, you have to follow and respect that person's रीत रिवाज and जुबान. तो पहले वो जुबान को अगर सीख ले और बोलते वक्त ऐसे नहीं लगना चाहिए कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. मेरी जुबान को मेरे होठों को मैंने हिला दिया, मैं अपने आप को बेईमानी समझता हूँ उसके अंदर. तो पहले रिस्पेक्ट द लैंग्वेज, बस उसके अलावा ये नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट को भूल जाओ.
Fair enough, sir. Absolutely.
हाँ, it's important to be said.
Absolutely.
As fellow countrymen, we're all artists. We are wanting to tell stories in whatever language. तो मुझे लगता है कि work with good people, work on good stories, and enjoy the experience. अगर ये experience को मजेदार नहीं समझता था, तो मैं नहीं करता. I got to be with this wonderful gentleman to the core. इन्होंने इतनी अच्छी बातें की इनके बारे में, क्योंकि इनकी खुशनसीबी है कि उन्होंने ज्यादा सीन्स किए. मैं तो दूसरे ट्रैक पे था. वर्क विद गुड पीपल, वर्क विद गुड इंटेंशंस. और मेन चीज क्या है, एक स्टोरी क्या कहना चाहता है, व्हाट इज द एसेंस ऑफ द स्टोरी, जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. जैसे कि इनके वालिद ने कहा इनको कि 10 साल में ऐसी एक फिल्म आती है, प्लीज एंजॉय एवरी मिनट ऑफ इट. मजा आएगा इसमें, देखने में मजा आएगा, बनाने में मजा आया. बुच्ची बाबू नहीं है यहाँ पे, उनके साथ काम करने में मजा आया. रैंडी सर हमारे सिनेमेटोग्राफर, उनके साथ मजा. what are we doing? We are not here only to show you our talents as actors, or we are trying to tell a story to the public.
Yeah.
If that focus is there, you got a good film.
Absolutely. This question was out of intrigue, like anyone who is watching a lot of things from distance, not exactly there on the
Right.
set. So, coming to you, I was just listening to you during the round table. You were like, I was a little scared and a little nervous, which I understand. But what was that one breaking point? जब लगा नहीं all cool, like any conversation you had with him, or shared a lunch, or just कोई एक moment होता है ना वो जब लगता नहीं ये सब भालो अच्छे सब ठीक है.
देखिए वो मोमेंट में अगर आपको बताऊं सबसे पहले मेरे लिए था जब मैं बुच्ची बाबू से हमारे डायरेक्टर से मिला था. मन में मेरे सबसे ज़्यादा यही था, अच्छा फर्स्ट तेलुगु फिल्म है, जब कहानी स्टोरी के बारे में पता चल गया रामचरण उसको कर रहे हैं, आई वाज लाइक ये तो बहुत बढ़िया है. मुझे लगा यार मैं लैंग्वेज का क्या करूँगा.
Okay, serious
एक्टर
concern.
के लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है, आप क्या बोल रहे हैं कैसे बोल रहे हैं, जो बमन सर अभी बोल रहे थे ये कैसे मैनेज करूँगा. और बुच्ची बाबू ने मुझे ये बोला कि सर डोंट वरी वी विल मैनेज सर, टेक एज मच टाइम यू वांट सर,
तुम
वी विल
सीखो,
मैनेज सर.
तुम सीखो.
एंड ही जस्ट सेड दिस एंड आई वाज लाइक यार ये इंसान सिर्फ ये ना एक अच्छी फिल्म बनाना चाहता है उन लोगों के साथ जो इसे लगता है कि ये कैरेक्टर्स पूरी तरीके से निभा पाएंगे. ये इसका वांट है लाइफ में. अगर ये वांट मेरे वांट से मिलता है मैं कूद रहा हूँ इसमें, मैं करूँगा इतना. वो था. उसके बाद जब मैं राम सर से मिला सेट पे और वो इतने बखूबी मिले मुझसे, इतने खुले दिल के साथ, इतने प्यार से, मुझे लगा कि भाई अच्छा कोई डर की बात नहीं है, सब अच्छा जाने वाला है. यहाँ पे हमारे कैरेक्टर्स थोड़े से जरा हैं ऐसे जो थोड़ा सा इस तरीके से हैं. उसमें क्या होता है, उसमें ना एक वो कंफर्ट लेवल ना हो तो आप चाहते नहीं कि उस तरीके की सिचुएशन में आप फंसें. सो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स टू हिम, ही मेड मी सो कंफर्टेबल देयर कि मुझे लगा कि अब हो जाएगा.
This happened truly because of, as we all artists, we are doing different works from different languages. It is because of his movie Mirzapur that he's received so much love, first of all. That is what a cinema can do to him.
Yes.
He's never stepped on the Hyderabad soil once before.
Yeah.
But he's got fans and people were appreciating him. So my hug was, I met the Mirzapur person who I love.
Compliment has just
That's
come
what-
in.
so
Yay.
sweet, that's what-
Okay, that's
sweet
quite a
of you.
moment.
See,
So sweet of
he's got a visa to go anywhere now with that Mirzapur.
And now
That's
Peddi,
beautiful. Yeah,
we're gonna go
yeah.
global.
Wow, that's some compliment.
Yes.
Okay, if I talk about Mumbai, of course you keep coming to the place, but your friends and your, how do you chill if it's an off day in Mumbai? What would you do? Where would you go?
No. We have a very small friends group here, and we don't need to mention their names, but mostly thanks to paparazzi, we are not able to go to the restaurants anymore. So the food is coming to our house, and we are all chilling, doing home stuff, fun at home. Yeah, I mean Mumbai is my place of work. When I land in Mumbai, I can smell work. I can breathe
I can
work.
smell work.
Yeah, it's not a place to come and relax. I treat Hyderabad as a workplace and like a big suburb where I'm going and staying. But Mumbai, the hawa here is so good. You just want to work something. You want to do something. You feel guilty to have an off day here. And that nature of Mumbai is something that attracts me so much.
Any one scene from your film? I mean, I don't think it's a great question, but
बोलिए.
you know, it always works in a way कि जब हम movie देख लेते हैं और interview याद रह जाता है, then you go back to that particular scene, so it becomes like a story there.
Yeah.
So any one scene you would, without giving me too much, would want to point out, which was emotionally very charged and meant a lot for you as an actor, as a performer.
I enjoyed, apart from all the things, in the second half, in the Delhi episode, there is a portion that we shot for 7 days in Delhi. Please look forward for that on the big screen.
7 days in Delhi.
7 days in Delhi during the peak winters. It was freezing and Buchi Babu gave me nothing but a t-shirt to wear. And it was so surreal. Mr. Ratnavel, the Randy sir's work in that, it looks like that mist was brought in by the art department, the way it was brought in. And the way they shot near the Rashtrapati Bhavan and all of that. It is one of the masterpieces. The way he etched every frame was beautiful. Please watch it for the DOP. And it is a typical Rahman music you're going to see there with the Delhi
Wow.
ghazals and everything. It is such a melancholy, it's so surreal to see that episode. That's my favorite.
So that's the part now
Yeah.
you'll remember this. So when you go back, when you're watching
That is
the
the
movie, you'll
film.
know
It has the pain, it has the journey of Peddi, and it's what he's going to look forward in the next half an hour, 50 minutes uske baad, jo bacha hai.
परफेक्ट
जी।
ममन सर, आप जब राम सर को स्टेज पे देखते हैं, मतलब परफॉर्म स्क्रीन पे देखते हैं, आपको उनके एक्शन में ज्यादा मजा आता है या डांस में ज्यादा मजा आता है, या फिर ये बहुत ही बेकार क्वेश्चन है, ये दोनों में बहुत मजा आता है?
किसी एक बंदे में एक गॉड गिफ्ट होता है, is the presence. You step onto the scene, whether the person is going to do action or give you an emotional moment or dance for you. You can do anything. We are watching that person who has been blessed with a certain screen presence, जो कहते हैं। बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो स्टेज पे आते हैं,
हाँ,
कोई भी हाइट हो, कोई भी बॉडी हो, लेकिन स्टेज पे आते हैं, your eyes don't go off that person.
just there.
And there are some people who may look great on stage, may not look great on screen. ऐसे है. I don't know what that phenomena is.
I don't know what
I don't
है,
know.
बिल्कुल है,
But there
बिल्कुल।
are certain people. I won't mention other names because today we have to speak only about Peddi. This man has a great presence. Then he can burst into anything.
सर मेरा सिंगिंग आपने सुना, मैं वो भी करता हूँ। मैं कर्नाटक म्यूजिक आई लर्न।
Oh my God.
हाँ, but you have to see Boman sir. I have a leaked video of Boman sir singing in Delhi at his friend's event. It is so sweet. He's like a nightingale singing.
I don't know, Bob.
Oh
It
my
is so
God, that's
beautiful.
again some heavy duty compliment
Please,
coming in,
yeah,
Maman
one
sir.
day you should listen to his.
Wow. For you, the most, that one moment in the movie जब लगा, oh my God, I'm doing this is happening. Like as an artist, as a character of this movie, आपके लिए बहुत enriching moment कौन सा था? जैसे अभी राम सर ने शेयर किया, that entire sequence. For you, what sequence you'll always keep it in your heart?
आई थिंक जिस तरीके से इंट्रो शूट हुआ मेरा, इंट्रोडक्शन इन द फिल्म,
Yeah.
वो मुझे एक तो बहुत मजा आया, मुझे तेलुगु फिल्म्स की जो ग्रामर होती है ना उसे चखने का।
I love
मतलब
the
वो जब बाइक पे आया, एक सिगरेट आया, रिवील हुआ, आई वाज लाइक बॉस पैसा वसूल, मैं खुद को देखूंगा जाके।
मैं खुद सीटी मारूंगा।
सीरियसली मैं मॉनिटर पे गया, मैंने
सीटी मारूंगा, nice one.
मैं मॉनिटर पे जाके देखा, और सबसे अच्छी बात थी हमारे सेट पे एक तो मॉनिटर होते हैं ऐसे, एक 65 इंच मॉनिटर लगा था।
65
उस पे जब आप जाते थे तो आपको लगता था कि स्टेक्स आर रियली हाई, लेट मी टेक वन मोर एंड लेट मी डू दिस बेटर।
Oh, nice, yeah.
बट दैट डे when I saw myself and how Randy sir shot it, Bucci Babu designed it, I was like boss, ये तो है, मजा आ गया। मतलब that पैसा वसूल डे for me that day.
Wow, and what a delight to see yourself and be very happy about it.
Honestly,
तो ना
ये
अपने
बहुत
बारे
कम
में-
होता है, वरना
I
आपको
get
कमियां
it.
ही दिखती हैं अपने काम में।
Get it. I completely get that part. Mavan sir, last but not the least, please give us shout out आपकी पूरी टीम के behalf पे for the movie, for everything.
ये बोलना बहुत जरूरी होगा to please we've mentioned their names, लेकिन the writer, the DOP, the director जो यहाँ पे मौजूद नहीं, लेकिन उनके अलावा the whole unit was hopping, they were dancing from one setup to another setup because they were so excited. And I think it's a big shout out to every crew member on every film that works hard but doesn't get to sit here and take interviews from someone like you, 2 interviews. But these people are very important.
Yeah.
Every single person standing off the camera here is important. They make us. And I'm so grateful to Bucci Babu sir, Randy sir especially, and all your team members. They loved working on this film. My team loved working on this film. ये बहुत important है.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much. Good days are like this only. ऐसा ही होता है. Radha from 93.5 Manu Zar Prateep बजाते रहो.
Peddi's back on his feet!